You are doing a festival or a show somewhere out in the field and you are missing a specific fixture type in your library. You can't have access to a static network connection or an internet connection via a computer to download some fixture types from the fixture or GDTF share. What to do now? grandMA3 version 2.4 gives you a possibility to use your mobile data from your phone. And this is a real game changer because you can make use of your mobile data to connect your console to the internet. The only thing you have to do is to enable this phone tethering directly at your console. So this is a real console setting. Let's have a look where we can find it. We go to our menu and we have a look at our network. And you all know the area of station control where we can enable protocols, the web remote, some things which are relevant for our station and for our network session. In the console, you can find the setting directly in here where you can enable the USB network. If you enable this and connect your phone via USB to the console, you can use your mobile data to have access to the GDTF share to download fixture types directly.